The static crackles across the radio at Fort Lauderdale Naval Air Station. It is December 5, 1945, and Lieutenant Charles Taylor's voice strained, disoriented cuts through the interference. We cannot see land. We seem to be off course. Everything looks strange. Even the ocean. 14 men in 5 Avenger torpedo bombers are somewhere over the Atlantic. Their compasses spinning uselessly. The afternoon sun swallowed by overcast skies. They will never be heard from again. No wreckage. No oil slick. No bodies. Within hours, a search and rescue Mariner aircraft with 13 crew launches to find them in it. 2. Disappears. In a single evening, 27 men and 6 aircraft simply cease to exist. This patch of ocean, roughly 500,000 square miles stretching from Miami to Bermuda to Puerto Rico, would become the most feared waterway on Earth. But 80 years later, satellites peer down from orbit. Sonar maps every ridge of the seafloor. And oceanographers have tools that Lieutenant Taylor could never have imagined. Today, we decode the Bermuda Triangle not with myth, but with science. A routine flight of 5 Navy bombers lifts off from Fort Lauderdale on a calm December afternoon in 1945 and vanishes without a single trace. For 80 years, the Bermuda Triangle has swallowed ships, planes, and rational explanations alike, but modern ocean science is finally pulling back the curtain on one of Earth's most infamous enigmas. This is episode 3 of our 7-part series, Science's Greatest Mysteries, where we explore what humanity knows, and what we still cannot explain. If you missed episode 1, Dark Matter, or episode 2, The Wow Signal, check the series playlist link below. In this episode, we decode the Bermuda Triangle, the roughly 500,000 square mile stretch of the North Atlantic between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico by separating documented science from decades of myth. The term Bermuda Triangle was first coined by writer Vincent Gaddis in a 1964 Argosy magazine article, not by any scientist or government agency. The U.S. Coast Guard and NOAA have both stated that the number of incidents in the triangle is not statistically greater than in any other comparable region of ocean. Here are the key facts. The term Bermuda Triangle was coined by writer Vincent Gaddis in a 1964 Argosy magazine article. It has no official geographic or scientific designation. NOAA and the U.S. Coast Guard state that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is not disproportionately higher than in other well-traveled ocean regions. University of Southampton research using indoor ocean simulators showed that rogue waves exceeding 30 meters can form where 3 storm systems converge, conditions found in the triangle. Massive methane hydrate deposits exist along the Blake Ridge near the triangle. Laboratory experiments show methane eruptions can reduce water density enough to sink ships. If this video made you see the world a little differently, please subscribe and click the bell. New wonders arrive every week. We'll see you in the next one.